Thank you for choosing the Stow & Go Folding Tow Dolly with surge brakes. Here's a brief setup and loading instructional video. First, you want to unfold your folding car tow dolly from its storage position. To do so, unfold the trailer tongue and secure with main pin and safety clip. Afterwards, position ramps and lock in place with the spring-loaded lock located near the ramps. Next, attach your car dolly onto the towing vehicle using a 2-inch ball. Secure safety chains and emergency brake away cable to the hitch. Connect the flat 4 wiring harness. Use an adapter if necessary. To access the tilt-down ramps, remove the tilt-down pin and the safety collar, located at the center of the dolly, then tilt the ramps. After the ramps have been positioned down, slowly drive up onto the dolly. It's always best to have someone guide you to ensure vehicle is as centered onto the dolly. Once wheels are on the dolly, the vehicle's weight will position the tilt mechanism back to original place, allowing you to insert safety collar and pin back into the position. To secure vehicle onto the car tow dolly, use the adjustable wheel straps provided. Insert the J-hook as shown to the slot closest to the center of the tire. Nest the strap over the tire and winch down using a 1-inch 1/8 wrench. Place self-latching safety chains to a structure point on your vehicle. Before driving off, make sure steering wheel is locked in place and disengage parking brake. Unloading your towed vehicle is very fast and easy. The RV, dolly, and car should all be straight. It is very important to engage the parking brake. Use your wrench to rotate the winch nut forward, holding the locking bar back, and release till the straps become loose. Then simply remove the wheel straps and safety chains. Release the main tilt down pin and collar. Drive off and store your folding Stow & Go car tow dolly. Hey, save time and space and money with a Stow & Go folding car dolly.